There is a secret waiting inside your home, and it's about to get a massive brain transplant. For 5 years, the original HomePod Mini has sat on our desks and nightstands, a cute, colorful orb that played music and, if we're being honest, occasionally struggled to understand even the simplest commands. But as we move into 2026, the silence from Cupertino has finally been broken. The leaks are no longer just whispers, they are a flood. This is the HomePod Mini 2. And this isn't just a speaker refresh. This is the moment Apple finally turns the smart home into an intelligent home. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you think you know what a smart speaker can do, you need to clear your mind. We are moving away from the era of Siri, play some jazz, and entering an era where your house actually knows what you need before you even ask. Today, we are tearing down every leak, every internal code reference from the iOS 26 beta, and every supply chain rumor to show you why the HomePod Mini 2 is the most important device Apple will launch this year. By the end of this, you'll understand why your current smart speakers are about to feel like ancient relics. Let's start with the heart of the machine. The original Mini used the S5 chip, the same brain found in the Apple Watch Series 5. It was efficient, but it was limited. In the world of 2026, that's like trying to run a modern city on a steam engine. The HomePod Mini 2 is skipping generations, jumping straight to the S10 or even a custom Proxima silicon. Why does a tiny speaker need that much power? One word: Apple Intelligence. For the first time, Siri is moving on-device. In the past, every time you asked a question, your voice was compressed, sent to a server, processed, and sent back. That's why you saw that spinning white light for 3 seconds. That's why Siri would sometimes say, "I'm having trouble connecting to the internet." The HomePod Mini 2 changes the game. With the S10 chip's massive neural engine, the thinking happens inside the speaker. It doesn't need to talk to the cloud for basic tasks. This means near-instant response times. You speak, and the lights turn off before you even finish the sentence. It's not just fast, it's eerily fast. But there's a deeper psychological shift happening here. Apple is preparing to launch HomeOS, a dedicated operating system for the home, and the HomePod Mini 2 is the primary gateway. This speaker is becoming a Matter and Thread border router on steroids. It's no longer just a device you talk to, it's the conductor of a silent orchestra. It's managing your locks, your lights, your thermostats, and your security cameras with a level of coordination we've never seen. It's using a new Sunrise networking chip that supports Wi-Fi 6E, cutting through the digital noise in your house to ensure your smart devices never go offline again. Let's talk about the sound. We all know the original Mini punched above its weight. But it had its limits. It lacked that thump in the low end and the air in the highs. For the 2.0 version, Apple has redesigned the internal acoustic waveguide. They've managed to fit a higher excursion full-range driver into the same small footprint. But the real magic is computational room sensing. In the original, the speaker was static. In the HomePod Mini 2, the microphones are constantly listening to how the sound bounces off your walls. It uses